One is mathematical operations in a list. LST, for example, LST equals to 3, 34, 56, 76, 89, 90, 42, 71. For example, if we have a list like this, we can pop or we can display the minimum, we can display the maximum, we can display the sum of the element, and we can sort. Let us show. For example, mean LST. The minimum is 2. Max LST. The maximum is 90. And we can also sum up. Sum LST. The sum of this all element is 460. And we can also sort. LST dot sort. Then LST, it is sorted like this. It's sorted like this, so we can also manipulate mathematical operation. This is all about today's lesson. Until we meet by the next video, have a nice time.